everyone. A warm welcome to everyone present over here. Our honorable principal ma'am, our friendly professors, HOD sir, and placement director sir, and my dear colleagues. I'm very proud to be a part of our Ishwar family, I hope you are glad to see our innovation project, which was done by ourselves. And in our digital world, we all know that every vehicle is running through the petrol diesel. For making some other changes through our innovative project, we have made some ideas about innovative project, which was an semi-automatic voice control and mobile control vehicle. It is very useful in our modern technology, which is more useful to us because and people who get panic to drive vehicles, for them it will be another better choice. I'm believing that, and I'm going to intro about our team members. Bharatipika, Shanmati, it was me, Roshni, and Sveta. Bharatipika is a team leader. She made some all efforts to through this project in front of herself. I really agree with that and give some greetings to her and our professor sir. And next, I request Bharatipika to give some explanation about our objective.
Objective: to develop a motor vehicle for physically challenged people and modern revolution in automobile world. About the project, our car is designed with a view of development in modern technology. As a remedy for the physically challenged people, the car is designed with 3 technologies listed below: semi-automatic, voice control, and mobile control. It is provided with 2 sensors. Which makes our car an automated vehicle. The heart of our vehicle is embedded system Arduino UNO. Arduino UNO, a TMEGA 328. Existing model. The autonomous vehicle were first introduction by Mercedes-Benz. The efficiency of this vehicle that the vehicle can only be operated automatically and cannot be controlled by other means. Many companies after that were trying to develop autonomous cars until they are in progress. Tata Motors India is a company which has developed the automated cars in our country. Here's the components: Arduino UNO board, ultrasonic sensors, DC motors, motor driver, IR sensor, Bluetooth module, chassis, battery, mobile phone, and connecting wires. Here is the picture of ultrasonic sensors. Detecting range is about 3 cm to 4.5 meter. Detection angle 30 degree. Power supply 5 volt DC supply. Ultrasonic frequency 40 kilohertz. Trigger pulse with 10 microsecond. Global current consumption 15 microampere. Motor driver. Here is the picture of a motor driver. Voltage range 4.5 volt to 30 volt. Current 100 mA to drive motor. Maximum resistance 60 ohm second. Output current capability 4 microampere. Pulse current 1.2 mA per drive. Package 16 pin DIP. IC weight 2 gram. IR sensor. Here is the picture of IR sensor. Range 2 to 10 centimeter. 2 to 10 centimeter variable. Input supply 5 volt. Sensing range minimum 1 centimeter, maximum 15 centimeter. Compatible drive Arduino VR8051 PIC ARM microcontroller. Bluetooth module HC05. Here is the picture of it. Sensitivity 80 dBs. RF transmit power 4 dBs. Power supply 1.8 to 3.6 volt. Speed 2.1 Mbps. DC motor. Here's the picture of a DC motor. Operating range 3 volt to 12 volts. Normal voltage 12 volt. No load speed 5000 RMP. No load current 0.022 A. Maximum efficiency speed 4096 RPM. Maximum torque 21.1 gram per centimeter. Weight 50 gram. Operating temp 10 degree Celsius to 60 degree. This is how our project is going to control. It's Bluetooth and Bluetooth via mobile control operation. This is our model design. Here is our final output. This is our project. Thank you for our Sri Ishwar family to giving this opportunity. Thank you.